Listen up. Intercultural Family Services Inc. invites you to join our groundbreaking ceremony to celebrate our upcoming location at 4524 Chestnut Street. The event will be held Wednesday, May 4th, 10 to 11 a.m. Our groundbreaking ceremony will feature intercultural performances, multi-ethnic refreshments, and with dozens of VIPs on the guest list, you will find plenty of networking opportunities. Come ready to have a great time. This wonderful event signals the launch of construction, a monumental time in intercultural's history we would not want to have without you. If you enjoy networking, entertainment, and intercultural refreshments, you won't be disappointed. This is the event for you. Seats are limited, so RSVP today. Feel free to bring a guest. To RSVP, log on to IFSI, rsvp.eventbrite.com. That's IFSI, rsvp.eventbrite.com.